Imagine a vast, icy plain. The ground suddenly collapses. A huge hole appears. This is the reality of Siberia's giant sinkholes. These craters are a mystery. They are a reminder of the power of nature. The sinkholes appear seemingly out of nowhere. Some are so big they can swallow helicopters. They leave scientists baffled. These gaping wounds in the earth are fascinating. These sinkholes are a stark visual. They are a sign of the changing environment. They are a window into the Earth's hidden processes. Sinkholes occur when the ground collapses, creating a sudden and often dramatic depression in the Earth's surface. This happens when underground cavities form, which can be caused by various natural processes. These cavities can be caused by dissolving rock, particularly in areas where the bedrock is made of soluble materials. Water erodes soluble rocks like limestone, gypsum, and salt beds, gradually creating large voids beneath the surface. This creates voids beneath the surface, which can grow over time as more material is dissolved and carried away. Siberia's permafrost is a key factor in the formation of sinkholes in this region. Permafrost is permanently frozen ground that contains large amounts of ice mixed with soil and rock. It contains large amounts of ice, which helps to bind the ground together and maintain its stability. As temperatures rise, the permafrost thaws, causing the ice within it to melt. This melting ice creates instability in the ground, leading to cracks and shifts in the soil structure. When the ground can no longer support the weight above, it collapses, resulting in a sinkhole. This sudden collapse results in a sinkhole which can vary greatly in size and depth. The size depends on the cavity below and the amount of material that has been eroded. Siberia's cold climate and unique geology make it particularly prone to sinkholes, especially as the climate warms. The thawing permafrost exacerbates the situation, leading to more frequent and larger sinkholes in the region. Reports of sinkholes in Siberia go back centuries. These mysterious formations have been a part of Siberian history for as long as people can remember. Local legends mention these formations. They are often woven into the fabric of Siberian folklore, with stories passed down through generations. They were often attributed to supernatural forces. Many believed that these sinkholes were portals to other worlds or the work of powerful spirits. In recent years, scientists have documented numerous sinkholes. With the advent of modern technology, these natural phenomena are being studied more closely than ever before. One famous example is the Batagaika crater. Known as the gateway to the underworld, this massive crater has captured the attention of researchers worldwide. This crater is over a kilometer long. It is still growing. The rapid expansion of the Batagaika crater is a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. Another notable sinkhole appeared in 2014. This event drew significant media attention and raised awareness about the geological activity in the region. This sinkhole, located in the Yamal Peninsula, is particularly deep. Its depth and sudden appearance have made it a subject of intense scientific study. It released large amounts of methane gas. The release of such gases has significant implications for our understanding of climate change and environmental science. These discoveries highlight the increasing frequency of sinkholes. The rise in the number of these formations is a cause for concern and further investigation. They provide valuable data for scientists studying this phenomenon. Understanding these sinkholes is crucial for predicting future occurrences and mitigating their impact. Section 4. A changing landscape, the impact of sinkholes. Sinkholes are a dramatic and often sudden phenomenon that can have far-reaching consequences. Sinkholes have significant environmental impacts. They can cause the ground to collapse, creating large depressions that alter the natural landscape. They can alter landscapes, disrupt ecosystems, and destroy habitats for various species. The sudden change in the terrain can lead to the loss of flora and fauna. Additionally, the release of methane gas from these holes contributes to climate change. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, and its release can accelerate global warming. There are also potential societal impacts. Communities living near sinkholes face numerous challenges. Sinkholes can pose risks to infrastructure. Buildings, roads, and other structures can be severely damaged or even destroyed. Pipelines, roads, and buildings are all vulnerable. The cost of repairs and the disruption to daily life can be substantial. The appearance of sinkholes can also impact local communities. People may be forced to relocate and their daily routines can be significantly disrupted. They can disrupt traditional ways of life, affecting cultural practices and community cohesion, and impact resource extraction industries. Mining and drilling operations can be halted, leading to economic losses. Understanding these impacts is crucial. Scientists are working to study and predict sinkhole occurrences to better prepare for them. It helps us prepare and mitigate potential risk. By taking preventive measures, communities can reduce the damage and adapt to these changes more effectively. Section 5. Unraveling the mysteries, future research and discoveries. Scientists continue to study Siberian sinkholes. They want to understand the triggers and predict future occurrences. Research focuses on monitoring permafrost thaw, studying the release of greenhouse gases and mapping sinkhole-prone areas. New technologies such as remote sensing are being used. They help with the monitoring and analysis of these formations. By unraveling the mysteries of these sinkholes, we gain valuable insights. We understand the changing Arctic environment and learn to adapt to our planet's evolving landscape.